Do I have an SD card in here? Yeah, I do. Oh man, let's go. Oh shit. Alright guys, we're just going through this rickety rackety bridge. So we're gonna go get some mariscos and mariscos and tacos.
I like it that way. Yes.
Very disciplined.
All right.
Marlin. Okay. Hola. Hola.
¿Mañana también se muere?
Sí, de martes a sábado.
Esperemos que no.
Si Dios quiere.
Así decía mi abuelita.
Oh shit. It's okay. I'm tripping.
Three Marlin.
Camarón tocino. Y el otro de camarón.
Alright guys,
Bueno, entonces
try this marlin taco right here.
Hey.
See how it is.
Venga, hazme el paro.
Alright.
¿Cuánto tienes?
Alright, so this place right here, they make tortillas fresh. You guys gotta check this out right here. Look at this. Alright, we're waiting for a taxi right now.
Dude, there's an Uber 3 minutes away.
Order it.
Let's
Order
see what
that
happens.
shit. Order that shit. Alright, fuck it. We're going on the Uber.
It says 60 pesos, $3.
60?
60 pesos.
Yeah, 3 beans.
Here, look, it says 1 minute away. The guy.
Alright. Right here?
That's him?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, this level has 3 rooms. This is the master, okay?
Okay.
Sí, mira. Low cases, okay? Isabella
Isabella.
2. A gas grill up there.
Right here.
You have
Yeah, it's legit. It's kind of small and it gives me a
You get like
Anxiety.
anxiety that you're gonna like somehow get swept over.
yeah.
You have to be a little careful at night.
Okay, what's good, YouTube? We just got here to the Airbnb. Left at 7 in the morning from San Jose. My cousin didn't make the flight, but we're here. I'm gonna show you guys the place. This is my room. Kind of opens up into the living room over here, which is pretty cool. Couch, and then I don't know if you can see that, but that's the ocean over there. This is the kitchen. Some cups, laundry room in there, kitchen. And then, so I'm on the second level right now, guys, but I can go down here. This is the main level. This is where Adam and Nate are. See, there's a room right here, room right there. This is another room, and then they're both in their room, so I'm not gonna bother them. But this is like the entire building. So you can go up here. If I go up here, this will lead me to the same place. Oh, it's locked. Boom. I'm back here in the same spot. And now if I want to go up the stairs to the roof, this is where we're going to see the pool, barbecue. We're going to do a lot of chilling right here. This is probably one of the coolest little spots I've been to. Let's see. Check it out. Oop. Check it out. Look at this. We got the fucking barbecue outdoor kitchen set up. You see, you got some people with some homes that are barely even built. Like, peep that house right there. That shit is barely built. Motherfuckers be living in it. Over here, if you look, I got a beautiful view of the mountains on my right. Right here. Look at that. Beautiful view of the mountains on my right. We got this pool. And then over here, we got the ocean. And down here, looks like we got a construction zone. But yeah, if you see this place on Airbnb, make sure to book it. This shit goes hella fire. Alright, let's go back down the stairs. I'm gonna go back to my room just to complete the tour. I'll show you downstairs real quick. Yeah, so this is like the main entrance. This is the second floor that we came in from. So it's one more floor. Boom, 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 boom. See, it's all the way over there. So effectively, this whole building is ours, which is fucking crazy.